Okay, so once you get logged on to Mastering Chemistry, if you're in Course Home, I believe this is what it looks like. There's no way for me to really check because there's no sign in as a student function here. But it should look something like this if you're on Course Calendar. If you go to Course Assignments tab, now there was a big mistake in the due date, and because of that, it wasn't showing them to you. Now I had to change them all again and re-enter them, and now they're all in there. It may only show the first 3 assignments for you. These ones aren't available yet because of due dates. So because they don't open up usually until the week before. If you finish it, both the homework, so if you get done, I'd check this introduction to Mastering Chemistry out just so you see how the website works. Then after you do your chapter 1 and 2 homework, take the quiz, and after you've done that, if you're done and you feel like you've gotten rid of most of the, got good understanding of most of that, and you want to start chapter 2, and it's way before September 8th when the due date is. Over here you can see the due date for these two. Then you can ask me to open these, and I'll definitely open them. So the class will basically be open with the fastest mover. So when you click on these assignments, if I click on this, it's going to be a little weird because of whatever, because it's a teacher view. But if I go into student view, I should be able to. Should look something like this, and then you can look on this, and you can see how many points there are. And when you click on it, it'll ask you questions and how to answer them, and it'll also activate them. Now I'm having trouble with my Adobe Flash, so it's giving me grief, but yours hopefully won't give you that much grief. It could have to be, and so you just take these and you can just drag and drop them to true or false based on what they say. And then hit submit. When you hit submit, it'll give you've also got down here, you've got hints. Sorry, you can't see that. Down at the bottom of this, dang it. Well, let me move it up. Let me see if I can shrink it a little bit. Now, on this, so you're not going to see this either, but at the bottom, underneath the answers, no, don't do that. Why aren't you letting me slide? You can see that there's hints, my answers, give up, and review part. If you click on hints, it'll go into a second thing that, of course, is also an Adobe Flash error on my part. I'll have to think. But you go hint 1, the history of the law of conservation of mass. If you click on that, it'll give the definition that'll help you answer these questions. So make sure to look through everything before you hit submit, because then you can get them wrong. If you get them wrong, you can try them again and you'll get a little less credit. But if you read through everything, you should be able to take care of that. Okay, so that's all I really had for you, but that's a little quick